Welcome to Biz Basics 101, your ultimate gateway to mastering the world of business, simplified. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every HR professional: the Wage Code Bill and ensuring fair pay across the board. The Wage Code Bill is a groundbreaking step toward establishing a universal minimum wage, impacting workers nationwide. This legislation is not just a rule, it's a movement towards equity and compliance in the workplace. First off, what is the Wage Code Bill? Imagine a rulebook ensuring every worker in the country, regardless of where they work, is guaranteed a minimum amount of money for their labor. This is what the Wage Code Bill aims to do. It sets a floor for wages, making sure that no one is underpaid for their work. Now, why is this important for us in HR? Well, it's our job to make sure our company not only follows these rules but also supports the spirit of fairness and equity they promote. Here are 5 steps of how we can do this in a practical, down-to-earth way. 1. Review and adjust. Look at your current wage structures. If anyone's earning below the new minimum wage, it's time for a raise. Think of it as adjusting the sails of a boat to keep moving smoothly and fairly. 2. Communication is key. Talk to your employees about the changes. Use simple language to explain how the company is adapting to ensure fairness in pay. It's like letting everyone know the rules of the game before it starts. 3. Training for compliance. Offer training sessions for managers and team leaders. They need to understand the importance of the Wage Code Bill and how to implement it. Picture this as equipping your captains with the right navigation tools. 4. Audit and monitor. Regularly check your company's wage practices to ensure they stay in line with the law. Think of it as doing a health checkup, but for your wage system. 5. Feedback loop. Create a channel for employees to voice concerns or questions about their pay. It's like having an open door policy, where everyone feels comfortable sharing their thoughts. By following these steps, you're not just complying with the law, you're building a culture of transparency and fairness in your workplace. Remember, ensuring fair pay is not just about ticking a box. It's about valuing your employees and recognizing their hard work with fair compensation. Let's ensure our wage structures reflect the fairness, equity, and compliance the Wage Code Bill aims to achieve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Biz Basics 101 for more insights into simplifying the business world. Keep coming back for more engaging content that helps you navigate the complexities of your profession. Together, let's unlock the potential of fair pay.